was a very clear odor of gasoline in the air, and I assumed that there were gas tanks on the boat.
Neighbors say just after lifeguards checked to make sure there was no one on board, there was an explosion.
It was dangerous. A lot of big boards with nails, pieces of fiberglass, fuel tanks, heavy items are washing back and forth and surf along with all the small debris.
There was a propane tank floating as the boat started to disintegrate, and a lot of these homes are older wood homes, although they're well maintained. Fire was mainly my biggest concern.
Harry Harker says it took cleanup crews several hours to arrive on the scene. People like Forsyth took it upon themselves to pull the debris from water.
I think that the fuel tanks were on the sand for approximately 3 to 4 hours before they were addressed.
The city of Laguna Beach could not be reached for comment, but residents believe the boat broke loose from Catalina Island last week.
I would have liked to see maybe more communication or something where maybe they should have known that might have known better that it would end up on the shore about this time.
As far as I know, there was nothing done about the boat while it was floating in the water coming towards the rocks.
Victoria Beach residents say picking up every single piece left behind by this boat wreckage will be nearly impossible, but they hope it serves as a lesson to prevent something like this from happening again in the future. Victoria Beach will remain closed until it is deemed safe. Reporting in Laguna Beach, Dave Gonzalez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.